All-Clad is the industry gold standard, but it often costs 3 times more than its closest competitor, Cuisinart. At Wade Media Labs, we wanted to know, does that price gap translate to performance?
We developed a performance ROI metric to audit these two titans.
We aren't looking at the logo, we're looking at thermal physics and metallurgical integrity. We subjected both pans to a high-resolution infrared audit. While both use triplite construction, we measured a 4% higher thermal uniformity in the All-Clad D3 across the entire cooking surface. We then tested thermal inertia, the ability to maintain heat when a cold protein is added. The All-Clad showed a faster thermal recovery time, but the margin was surprisingly slim, less than 12 seconds. We checked handle torque, rivet stability, and edge finishing. All-Clad's bonded edges and signature handles are designed for a 30-year life cycle, while Cuisinart's build reflects a more consumer-focused lifespan. When we ran the math, the All-Clad outperformed by roughly 15% in technical metrics.
But at 300% of the price, the ROI for the average home cook begins to diminish.
All-Clad is the superior technical tool, but Cuisinart offers the best value to performance ratio in the industry.
Performance is about precision, but ROI is about your bottom line.
See the full thermal maps, the longevity logs, and our 2026 ROI results at cookwarescout.com. Look for the All-Clad versus Cuisinart audit.